Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna take a look at this marvelous boat. So, if you have the set probably, you may have these three characters: Olivia, Mia, and Andrea. So, as you know, I changed the style because I want them to look like pop stars. So I like this hairstyle more. As if you know where I got these hair, you probably, and if you know where I got this hair, it's good. If you don't know, then you should look at my previous videos. They have introduced these hairs. Okay, so let's get started. First, I will start by introducing over here. This I created myself. So this you can fly around, and this is the control. I made it myself. That's like this. So these are the relaxation chairs. These are the relaxation chairs. Let me put two of them over here, and I will put this over here so they can relax. And these, you know, they can move. Okay. And also, there's some drinks over here. Over here, there's some drinks. Okay. Now, we're gonna sit in the top of here. So, this is basically the boat's driver's seat. So, I'm just gonna place Olivia here. Let me just use this. And Andrea and Mia at the back. Like this. So that's all for the top. So we will continue at the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna see the bottom over here like this. Okay, I'm just gonna have to fix cherries. If you have, you probably know what I'm talking about. Okay, now I'm going to just fix back the stuff and we can continue talking. Okay, so now I want to introduce you this part. It's the dining room over here. And this is some supplies for some sick animal supplies. I will show you. There's a nurse hat here, and I don't know what is this, basically. Okay, now it's hard to show you. Okay, and now I'm just gonna turn this around, and now this has a seashell inside. This is the research area. And these are for scubaing. And this is the coffee bed if you need to sleep. And that is the bathroom. And it includes one of these boats and one of these. And it will also include sailboat and a narwhal. I put them like this. And also, I added a dolphin myself, which is not included to the set. And in case you're wondering what is this stuff, it can push this like this, push, and then it ran to the ocean for a mission. And I really love this boats because they have some cute life jacket. I will show you how. You're just gonna have to remove the hat first and put it inside and put it back and put it back to here like this. It got 4 life jackets in total. I'll remove this back, and the sailboat is supposed to stay over here. Oops, I can't. That's all for today, guys. Remember to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. And please give a like. And you could buy the set because it's so cool. Remember, you could buy the set because I really love it. And I suggest you to buy. See you later.